talking about.
Talk us through it.
All right, Sills.
Oh, shut up.
Okay, so this was done with heat and bond. This is heat and bond right here. And actually, what's amazing about heat and bond, if this came all the way to the edge, actually we could have ironed it on a little bit stronger. No, it's okay because I'm going to sew it. But if you want to do it where you iron it on hard, you don't need to applique it on, and it can withstand washing everything. So there's weird, like, you can applique fleece, you can applique fake fur to something, and it stays forever. Like, you can do t-shirts and stuff. Now, if you've got a heavy fabric, you need this kind. This is Ultra Hold. Okay, it's good for fabric, patches, denim, leather, suede appliques. So I've used this. Now this is a simple one where you could have just pinned it on and done it. But I've done some that had fingers and, you know, crazy long pieces that as you're trying to sew them, they move and carry it on. So that's what this is good for, okay? So what you do, you want to make a satin stitch. Now the one thing you need to learn about the zigzag on the sewing machine is you got to find where the satin stitch is for you. So for instance, let me show you what this zigzag can do. Here's zigzag, and where's the pedal? See? Now watch, we can get it closer. So as you're sewing, you can change. It can get smaller. It can get bigger.
Let's see. Good.
So you see the difference, the range. It got fat, it got closer. I'm still not getting a satin stitch. There it is. So what you need to do is find how wide you want it to be. That's what's wrong. Okay, I can get it even closer. Now that's a satin stitch, and you call it satin stitch because it looks like satin. Okay. So this was this was over, and that's why it was sewing so slow. So the way we want to do it, we found our satin stitch. We've got it to where it's close enough that you shouldn't see the two edges. So what we want to do, and anytime you applique, you want the needle to start, when you stop for it, the needle to be down. So I'm going to push it. So you want to straddle the applique with it. So I only have one goal, to be, when it's on the right, it's on the white, when it's on the left, it's on the black. Okay, it could still be closer. So now when I go down here, now I need to start back up, and I think I want to do it this way. Now, one thing that's wrong with what I'm doing, this fabric should have interfacing behind it. Anytime you, and that's why it's a little bit bunchy right there. Anytime you applique something, you should have interfacing behind it. This is a lot of stitching for a weak piece of muslin to take. So the one thing you want to do is end it clean with that side, And as you can see this side, the satin stitch is better because it got even closer.
Bring that closer to the light.
There.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, one side you can still see the white versus the black. The other side, oh,
Perfect.
there you go. Can you see it?
Yep. Here's the
Alrighty
light.
then. That's
There's the
applique.
side.
So with heat and bond, what you use that for is way complicated ones with arms and legs and little pieces and things. As you saw when I'm doing this, if it weren't nailed down, it could have shifted and moved. It just makes it way easier to do. Okay?
Can I just keep pressing pause with this?
Yeah, I think it makes a new video though.
Oh, okay, so
Yeah,
just keep
each
going.
time.
All right.
Yeah. Well, I'd rather have applique in one video, another one in another video. Just
Okay.
let me get prepped for it.
All right.
So there's